Want to control which apps can run in the background on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to turn background app refresh on or off and manage it for individual apps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now, scroll down until you find Background App Refresh. Tap on it. Here you'll see the current setting for Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to update and load new information in the background, so content is ready when you open them. For example, news apps, weather apps, or social media apps can refresh their content without you opening them first. Now, you have a few different options. If you want to completely turn it off, tap Background App Refresh and select Off. This will stop all apps from refreshing in the background. If you want to keep it enabled, you can choose between two options. Wi-Fi, apps can refresh only when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Apps can refresh using both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Keep in mind, using cellular data can use your mobile data plan. You can also control this feature for each app individually. Scroll through the list of apps and turn Background App Refresh on or off for specific apps. For example, you may want it enabled for apps like weather, email, or news apps. But you can disable it for apps you don't need updating in the background. Turning off Background App Refresh for unnecessary apps can help reduce battery usage and save mobile data. And that's it. Now you know how to turn Background App Refresh on or off on your iPhone.